rice bowl with my cooking teacher.
Hi. Okay then. Okay everyone. So first we want to mix here tuna. We have tuna and then we have mayonnaise. This is onigiri flakes and then salt and then white pepper, also have Italian seasonings. Okay, so first
And rice.
So first step is we mix the tuna with mayonnaise. You can use spoon. Yes, you can put it all. Pour it all the mayonnaise. Yes. Scrub. Okay, and then you give some salt for it all. Also the Italian seasonings and white pepper for it all. Okay, then mix until all cooperate. Okay, finish. Let me try. Okay, so we mix this. Yeah. This will make the onigiri rice juicy and full of taste, rich of taste, and delicious. Yes. Okay, now we have here rice. So this rice I already mixed with some seasoned oil, also hot water to make it like a ball like this, so can be shaped it easily. Okay. Now Dave, I want you to divide this into 4 balls. Okay. Okay. Now you shape it, but make sure it's the same size. Okay.
Done.
Okay. This is too big, so you can divide it into 4 same size. Okay. Okay. So first we flatten it. Oh yeah, I already washed my hand, so my hand is clean. So first we flatten it like this, and then I will give one spoon. Just with use your feeling. You can put like this, and then you close it like this. And then you shape it until it's like triangle. Yeah. Okay. Don't too full. Okay. Just like this. Look, until like the triangle shape. Like this. So now we want to make the shape into triangle like this. Yeah. This is tuna onigiri rice ball. Okay. Finish. Okay. Make it stand like this. So you know what is this then? Yeah, this is seaweed. Okay. Now we want to wrap the rice ball with seaweed. Put like this, and then like this. Yeah. Okay. Like this. And then just eat it. Finish.
Onigiri buatan aku pakai tangan.